A pleasant day. Today, I will show you how to draw geometric shapes using the AutoCAD application. Using the AutoCAD application, it is easy and quick to draw geometric shapes. Let's draw a hexagon first using the line command. As we can notice, it is this way easier than when we used MS Paint in our first activity. But wait, there's a more swift way to draw polygons. This time, I will make use of the polygon tool. First, type the polygon tool command in the command bar. In this case, we will type pol. Then, let us type the number of sides of the polygon we are making,
which in this case is 6.
Then choose if you want it inscribed within the radius or circumscribed outside the radius.
Then,
we can opt to size the polygon from the center
if we have a radius size for the hexagon we are making.
Going back to the line command, let us type 7 for heptagon. Here, I am using the 2023 version of AutoCAD to create hexagon, heptagon, octagon, and nonagon. 8 to have octagon. 9 to create nonagon. Then we have our geometric shapes.
To copy and paste a polygon, we can select our polygon using left click to the mouse. Move the mouse covering the polygon, then left click again. Click the copy button, then click the shape and drag. Click ESC to exit. To move a polygon, let us select the polygon to be moved and click the move icon, then click on the polygon and move it. Click ESC to exit. To rotate the polygon, select it, then click the rotate icon. Click ESC to exit. To trim the polygon, select it, click the trim command, then trim it. Click ESC to exit. In coloring a polygon, click the layer properties. If what we want is to change its line color. If we want it filled with color using the command bar, type Hatch, then choose the style of color shade and of course the color that we want. Then click the polygon. This method is for 2D wireframe. On the other hand, if we want to delete the drawing, we can select the drawing and click the erase command. Let us make it more realistic by changing the wireframe. Meanwhile, to make a cube, we can click on the solid command. If we cannot find it in the ribbon, right-click on the mouse anywhere in the ribbon, then show tabs and check the 3D tools. Moving the view cube, we can see it this way. Here, it only took us a few seconds or at most a minute to draw a simple cube or a 3D solid box. We can also draw other shapes here. To install an AutoCAD 2023 application, we need a computer with an operating system of 64-bit, Windows 11 or 10 version 1809 or above, a processor of at least 2.5 GHz, a device with a memory of at least 8 GB and disk space of 10 GB, and a display of 1920 by 1080 resolution with true color. Laptops satisfying these AutoCAD requirements are costly than other ordinary one, but you can still find budget-friendly laptops on the market. Like in my case, I am currently using Acer Aspire 5, a budget-friendly laptop for AutoCAD, with a current market price of 37,999 Philippine peso. Installing this app is a good thing to do. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software that is very efficient 2D and 3D program for engineers and architects. As we have done earlier, we can notice how easy to make drawings here. We just need to explore and get familiarized in using this application. Thank you.